Honestly, let's all accept that not everyone is your client. I have had totally strangers that have supported my business from the day one. I haven't had any kind of connection at the start or someone telling me that start from here. I started right away from scratch. I made sure I Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jarvis at Birunji, and in today's video I want to take you through how you get clients when you're new in business. Yes, of late there's that saying of you need connections, you need what? Like you need connections to get to where you want to be. But I'm going to tell you there are different ways of how you can create connection or how you can arrive to your client. First of all, you need to know who your target client is. You're not going to be a type who is going to go to each and every one. Honestly, let's all accept that not everyone is your client. Yeah. Even if you're selling a particular product, there are people whom you target. If you're in services, there's that particular category you're targeting. So the first key thing is for you to know who your target client is or your target customer is. Once you've known your target customer, go ahead and let people know, let those target clients know your business. How do they know your business? First of all, the business I'm talking about, it should be legally registered. Yeah. And now, currently we are in an era whereby the social media has taken over. And social media is something that is cheaper compared to the older versions of marketing. So if you're new in business, be able to utilize social media. Create social media handles for your business. Talk about your business or services. Advertise them out and be specific on which people you are targeting. And once you have your social media, be able to interact back, get that feedback, whether it's negative or positive. Respond. You will never know where your next client is. And then the other thing, you need to network. You need to network. There are so many ways of networking. Personally, since I'm into the cultural consultancy, the way I network is by going for farmer training and also the different farmer expos, cultural expos, that I'm able to meet my target client. So if you are coming into business, be ready to move or step out of your house and network. Network as much as you can. Let people know you for that business. People will not come to you if they don't know what you're doing or what you're selling. You need to deliver the best. Give quality services or quality products to your client or customers so that your customers are satisfied. Always deliver the best services or high quality products to your customers. These few customers that you're having at the start are going to be the foundation of your business. If these few customers are satisfied with your services or products, they are going to give good reviews about your business. They are going to refer the next client to you. You need to concentrate on satisfying the clients that you have. There is no big magic in this. Personally, my personal experience is I have had totally strangers that have supported my business from the day one. I haven't had any kind of connection at the start or someone telling me that start from here. I started right away from scratch. I made sure I delivered the best and made sure my clients were always satisfied. These satisfied customers started referring the next client. They'll always recommend my services to other people. So it is through that the business started growing its clientele base. If you're coming into business or if you're new in business, you need to know that you are here to have your client happy and satisfied. That should always be your priority. And that will open so many channels to having more clients come on board. Otherwise, there's not so much magic in this. Utilize, when you put in these strategies that I've told you, trust me, it will work out. I wish you the best. Thank you for watching.